2009 to 2014 Ford F150 speaker pods for dual 5 1/4. I'm going to show you how to install them. First step for installation is to place the pod onto the door panel. Get everything lined up, make sure that it fits snugly. Then, using your pencil, mark the mounting holes for the pod. Remove the pod. Utilizing the correct drill with the correct size drill bit, drill the center of the mounting holes. Now the holes have been drilled. Replace the pod utilizing the hardware that has come with the speaker pod. Install the screws. From the back side, install the lock nuts that have been provided. Now that the pod is installed, please ensure that you do not over torque the screws and nuts. You do not want the screws to pull through the plastic. You want to be able to tighten it just enough to pull the two materials together, the door panel and the pod together, both here, 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 all locations. Now that is done, we'll place the speaker. With the speaker in place, we will mark the mounting holes. After lining up the logos, make sure you have it where you want it. We will mark the mounting holes. We will do the same for the other side, making sure the logos are lined up properly. Then, utilizing the correct size drill bit that is the same diameter as the root diameter of the screw, so that way the threads catch into the plastic. We will then drill the center of the marks. Clean up the holes. Place the speaker. Utilizing the screws that we will use to mount the speaker, we will then install the screws very carefully. I'm using an impact drill because I am a semi-professional. We lost a screw in the mat pocket. But we'll get it. Oh my god, I can't find it. Oh no! It's in there. Dude, it's wet and full of goo. So, since these are stainless screws, they do not stick to the magnet, but we will install them very carefully. Slowly, one at a time, we will get them all installed before we torque final. Tighten just enough to get the speaker tight, but do not over torque or you will strip the plastic. If torqued correctly, the pods will last for a very long time. A lifetime of enjoyment. There you go. That completes the installation. Thank you for watching.